Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact. First, download the game on your PC, console, or mobile device and set up your account. You'll then embark on a journey through the initial tutorial, which introduces you to fundamental controls and combat. After a brief introduction, you'll select your traveler's starting element, either Anemo or Geo, and begin your grand adventure in the captivating world of Teyvat. It's an exciting first step into a vast open world. Combat in Genshin Impact revolves around elemental reactions. There are 7 elements: Pyro, Hydro, Cryo, Electro, Anemo, Geo, and Dendro. Combining 2 different elements on an enemy triggers powerful effects like Vaporize or Melt, significantly boosting your damage. Beyond combat, exploration is key. Discover hidden treasure chests, solve environmental puzzles, and gather essential resources such as Mora, experience materials, and items needed for character ascension. To strengthen your team, focus on character progression. Use experience materials like Hero's Wit to level up your characters, boosting their base stats. Equip them with suitable weapons and artifacts, which provide significant stat bonuses. Remember to upgrade these items too. Ascending characters and weapons at certain levels is crucial. It unlocks higher level caps and new, more powerful talents, making your team much stronger. Once you've established your team, daily activities become important. Complete 4 daily commissions for Primogems and Adventure Rank experience. Spend your original resin on domains for artifacts and talent materials, or lay line outcrops for Mora and experience books. Participate in limited-time events for unique rewards and challenge the Spiral Abyss, a combat-focused dungeon, for even greater prizes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.